Welcome back to Best Tech Drone Enthusiasts. If you're looking for the perfect mini drone to add to your collection or just want to have some fun flying, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best mini drones of 2024. These compact drones pack a punch with features like HD cameras, long battery life, and even advanced flight modes, all while being easy to carry around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech and drones. Number 5, the DJI Mini Nano X20 RC Quadcopter, a fantastic entry-level drone that's perfect for kids, beginners, and even seasoned flyers looking for a fun, compact drone. The DJI Mini Nano X20 stands out with its altitude hold feature, which keeps the drone stable at a set height, making it easier to control and capture steady shots. With one key start, getting the drone off the ground is a breeze. Just press a button, and you're ready to fly. This mini drone is not just easy to handle, it's also packed with fun features like 3D flips that add an exciting twist to your aerial maneuvers. The headless mode ensures that the drone is always oriented the way you want, simplifying control and navigation. The speed switch lets you adjust the flying speed, making it adaptable for different skill levels. Compact and lightweight, the DJI X20 is a perfect gift for boys, girls, and adults alike. Its user-friendly design and robust features make it a great choice for those new to drones or looking for a portable, entertaining flying experience. Number 4, the X1 Drone with Camera, a versatile, user-friendly drone that's perfect for both enthusiasts and professionals. The X1 drone stands out with its Follow Me mode, allowing it to autonomously track and follow you, ensuring you're always in frame. This feature is ideal for capturing dynamic action shots or hands-free selfies. The drone's HDR video capabilities ensure your footage is sharp, vibrant, and professional, whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes or fast-moving scenes. Designed for convenience, the X1's foldable design makes it easy to transport and perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. The palm takeoff feature lets you start flying instantly with a simple gesture. Streamlining the setup process, the Intelligent Flight Paths feature allows the drone to follow preset routes, adding a professional touch to your videos without manual control. With hands-free control through gestures and voice commands, you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without fiddling with controls. Included in the combo pack are additional accessories to enhance your flying experience. The X1 drone with camera combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for capturing stunning aerial footage. Number 3, the 4K FPV Dual Camera Quadcopter. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer, this drone offers a range of features designed to impress. First up, this drone boasts 4K FPV dual cameras, delivering stunning high-definition footage from the sky. The front and bottom cameras provide a comprehensive view, making it easier to capture every moment of your aerial adventures. Headless mode ensures that orientation is never an issue, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. For ease of use, the drone includes one key start and auto-return features. Simply press a button to launch the drone, and it will automatically return to its takeoff point when the battery runs low or you need it to come back safely. The air pressure fixed height function keeps your drone steady in the air, making it easier to control and shoot smooth, stable videos. The 3-speed adjustment and 3D flips add excitement to your flights. Choose from different speeds to match your skill level and impress friends with aerial stunts. Plus, the drone comes with 2 batteries, providing up to 40 minutes of total flight time, double the fun without needing constant recharges. The foldable design makes it convenient to carry, and the optical flow sensor enhances stability during flight. This drone is not just a gadget, it's a fantastic gift idea for Christmas or any occasion, suitable for beginners, kids, and seasoned drone enthusiasts alike. Number 2, the Holy Stone HS110D, a fantastic mini drone designed specifically for kids. If you're looking for a fun and easy-to-fly drone, stay tuned. The HS110D is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for young pilots. One of its standout features is the one-key takeoff and landing, perfect for beginners who want a simple flying experience. With a push of a button, the drone is up in the air or safely back on the ground. Plus, its auto-hovering feature keeps the drone stable, allowing for easy control and smooth flying. This mini drone also offers 3D flips and 3 different speed modes, letting kids perform impressive tricks and tailor their flying experience as they gain more skills. Whether they're doing loops or simply cruising around, the HS190 is built to provide hours of fun. The Holy Stone HS190, with its vibrant blue design, is not just a toy but a great tool for introducing kids to the world of drones. It's durable enough to handle minor crashes and has a user-friendly interface that makes it a hit for both boys and girls. Number 1. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo, a fantastic entry-level drone that packs a punch with its impressive features. Let's dive in. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a game-changer in the world of compact drones. Weighing in at just 249 grams, it's ultralight and incredibly portable. This makes it perfect for those on-the-go adventures or for capturing stunning aerial shots without hassle. One of the standout features is its 4K HDR video recording. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes or action-packed scenes, the Mini 4 Pro delivers vibrant and detailed footage that's sure to impress. And with its 3 batteries, you can enjoy up to 102 minutes of flight time, giving you plenty of opportunities to capture that perfect shot. The DJI RC2 controller included in the Fly More combo is intuitive and easy to use, ensuring a smooth flying experience. Plus, the Smart Return to Home feature is a fantastic safety addition. It automatically brings the drone back to its starting point if the battery is low or if it loses signal. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo is an excellent choice for beginners and drone enthusiasts alike, offering a blend of portability, high-quality video, and smart features. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest tech reviews and drone tips. We've got plenty more content on the best drones, gadgets, and gear coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, happy flying!